how you can fix your iPhone getting stuck on black screen. But before that, if you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do when your iPhone is stuck on black screen is try and restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you'll have to first press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button. After you do that, the Apple logo will appear and then release the side button. Now this will force restart your iPhone, and if the problem still is there when your phone completely restarts, the problem might be on your hardware, so you might want to go and change your iPhone's screen and display. Now go to your nearest repair shop and get your iPhone checked and repaired. So that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.